Hi guys! So, eto na. Let's go na. Sana hindi masyadong maraming tao ngayon sa emission testing para matapos tayo kagad. Ringlight! Say hi, kuya! Hello, ate! Thank you! Hi guys!
Which one do you want?
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, we are going to Emission Testing Center. Yes, no? Pupunta tayo ngayon for emission testing because that is one of the requirements for annual car registration and motorcycle here in the Philippines. So, tara guys, sama kayo sa amin. Sana hindi maraming tao ngayon sa emission testing para makapag-proceed tayo kagad, no? So, without further ado, let's go guys! Sama kayo! Let's go! Hi guys! So, eto na. Let's go na. Sana hindi masyadong maraming tao ngayon sa emission testing para matapos tayo kagad. Okay? So, let's go guys! Sama kayo! Daddy! Hi! Hi guys! So ito, tapos na tayo. So our car passed the emission testing. So later naman yung kay daddy, we're still waiting for him kasi medyo mahaba yung pila. Okay? Get back to you later! Wow! Say hi!
Enjoy the food.
Look at the suspension of that car. Nice. Guys, so ayun, natapos na rin kami sa wakas for emission testing. We came here in the center around 9 o'clock in the morning. Natapos na kami ng past 11:13 in the morning na, no? Ang haba ng pila. Grabe. So, we're done. Our car and our motorcycle passed the emission testing. So, we can do the registration na for the following days para matapos na rin natin yung annual registration for our vehicle. So, come with me guys. Pupunta, magdadaanan tayo sandali, then we're gonna go home. Okay? Okay. Yan, nandito ako sa suki ko sa mall. Bibili tayo ng Ringlight. Say hi, kuya. Hello, ate. Thank you. Ina-assemble na. Excited much. 5'6". Yung height niya, ang taas. Yay! Guys, ayan, may ring light na tayo. So if you wanna come here and buy some some products. Punta lang kayo dito sa Riverbanks and find anong store? Baby and hindi, anong store? Ezekia. So nandito lang sila sa Riverbank near GD. Okay, if you wanna if you wanna get some product from here. Hi guys! Yan! Nakabili na tayo ng Ringlight. Yes, I got a very good discount from my Suki here in the mall. So okay, let's go home guys and let's test our Ringlight. Okay, tara!
What did you buy now?
Ringlight!
What is that for?
Thank you, Daddy!
What do you need that for?
For vlogging! Hi guys! Yay! Hi guys! Yan, we're home na. Okay, natapos din tayo today. It's very productive day today. Natapos tayo magpa-emission testing. At the same time, nakabili na rin tayo ng ring light. Ayan! Ang ganda niya! Additional lighting for our videos. Yes. So, ayun guys. So, owning a car is not easy. Bakit? Because there's a lot of responsibility with it, no? Hindi lang yung pagmamaneho, hindi lang yon. So, yung registration, emission testing, yearly check-up of the cars para sa safety ng mga driver and also passenger. So, very important yon. So, if you wanna own a car, so, be prepared on all the things that you need to face with it, no? So, yun guys, that's all for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you again on my next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more upcoming videos. Okay guys, see you on my next one. Bye-bye!